You get into business for yourself for the challenge, the opportunity, and the freedom it can afford. Not so you can spend hours and hours at your desk, filing statements or going through receipts. Taxes are complicated. There's about 77,000 pages of tax law written since 1913. So when it comes to getting help, the question usually asks, how in the world do I choose an accountant? Well, that's a great question. You see, there's basically 3 licenses. The first one's a certified public accountant, or CPA. That license is granted by the State Board of Accountancy, and it requires 40 hours at a minimum of annual continuing education. The second license is an enrolled agent, or an EA. The third one's relatively new, and that's called a registered tax preparation person, and the license is granted through the IRS. So here's the bottom line. You really need to be asking 3 questions to your prospective accountant or tax preparation. The first question would be, what type of license do you hold? The second one is, how many hours of continuing education do you do every year? And the third question is that, how will you represent me if an audit comes up? The 3 questions I want you to ask, I want you to do it in person. After all, you're hiring the most trusted advisor outside of your pastor that you could ever have. We've been at this for 30 years. I'd love to help you, and I hope to see you soon.